Do you know what type of certificate you're supposed to receive with your electrical work? Hi, I'm Lee Marshall from Marshall Saddle Limited, your local electrician in and around Sleaford. Did you know that there are more than one type of certificate that you should receive when having your electrical work carried out? Now the first one is for sort of minor alterations, which we call a minor work certificate. Now this can be anything to adding an extra socket, changing a light, adding an extra light, moving a switch, moving some cabling, or just simply extending a cable. So this just covers the basics of the test, basic insulation resistance tests at R1 and R2 reading, your basic resistance readings at the source of the electricity supply, and obviously an RCD test if required, which nowadays it should be. The second one is an installation certificate, which is quite similar to a minor works but a little bit more in depth. Now this is more for if you have a full new circuit installed. So if you have a new ring main in your kitchen, or a new cooker or shower supply, or even a power supply down to a garden shed. This is, like I say, a bit more in depth, so this will test the full circuit, and usually this requires notification to building control. The third one really that is actually quite the most popular at the minute, obviously with the legislation in place, is Electrical Installation Condition Report, or an EICR for short. This was formerly known as a periodic inspection, and this is something that in a rental property at least is carried out, or should be carried out, every 5 years. In domestic settings, normally every 5 to 10, depending on the state of the installation. Now this is not for when work has been carried out, this is just basically, think of it as an MOT for your house every few years. Now this goes through all the socket circuits, all the lighting circuits. Now generally people will take a percentage of the installation and break it down, so we'll take the fuse board to bits, test all the circuits, make sure there's no damage, no deterioration. We will check all the face plates, all the accessories, make sure there's no damage to those. Things like that. You'll get either a satisfactory report or an unsatisfactory report. Now I'll do another video later on explaining how these work, because there's a coding system that you will receive. So if you have any questions, then give us a call, but always make sure that you're using a registered electrician.